Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to. Today, we're diving into the French verb connaître, which means to know or to be familiar with. This is a super useful verb you'll use in conversations daily. Stick around for its full conjugation and some easy examples to practice in real life. Let's start with the conjugation of connaître in the present tense. Je connais, I know. Tu connais, you know, informal. Il/elle/on connaît. He/she/one knows. Nous connaissons, we know. Vous connaissez, you know, formal or plural. Ils/elles connaissent, they know, masculine and feminine. Easy, right? Notice the little accent on the third person singular form. Connais, don't forget it. Now let's see how to use connaître in real-life conversations. 1. Je connais cette ville. Translation: I know this city. Example: use it when talking about a place you're familiar with. 2. Tu connais ce restaurant? Translation: do you know this restaurant? Example: perfect for recommending a favorite dining spot. 3. Elle connaît bien la musique classique. Translation: she knows classical music well. Example: a great way to talk about someone's expertise or interests. 4. Nous connaissons ce film. Translation: we know this movie. Example: perfect for group conversations about shared experiences. 5. Vous connaissez mon ami Pierre? Translation: do you know my friend Pierre? Example: great for introducing someone during a meeting. 6. Ils connaissent cette chanson. Translation: they know this song. Example: use this when chatting about popular music. Now it's your turn. Practice these sentences and try using connaître to talk about places, people, or things you're familiar with. It's a great way to build confidence in your French speaking skills. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language. Click the bell icon so you'll never miss a new lesson. Like and share this video with your friends who are learning French. Check the description for links to the best French learning books at unbeatable prices. These resources will take your French skills to the next level. Merci beaucoup for watching. See you in the next lesson, where we'll explore another exciting topic in French. À bientôt!